Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. May Allah give you a happy life. Ameen summa ameen. Today we are sharing a very different and yummy recipe with you. We are making burrito burger by two ways. This is a Mexican dish which is made on the tortilla, but we are making in burgers. Let's start the recipe. To make these burger, we are taking the chicken. We are taking boneless chicken and also the bones chicken, because we will make two types of the burger. Half kg are boneless chicken and half kg are leg piece. We have washed the chicken and after that we dip in the vinegar for some time to remove the smell and the blood of the chicken. We will use 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste. We are taking 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper and salt to taste. Spices may be according to the taste. For coding, we are taking 1 cup all-purpose flour. Now for the marination, we are taking the chicken in a bowl. After that, we are adding the ginger garlic paste in it and all the spices, crushed black pepper, red chili powder and the salt. We are adding in it. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of white vinegar in the chicken. After, we will mix it properly. After mixing all the spices in the chicken, we will keep it for 1 hour, 30 minutes. You can also put it for 1 hour. Now we are preparing creamy pasta. For this, we are taking half cup boiled milk, 1 cup boiled macaroni of any shape, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This flour is 3 to 4 tablespoons. 2 chopped carrots. We are taking 2 chopped capsicum. And we are taking 1 tomato. After removing the seeds, we chop it. Now we are taking mozzarella cheese. It is according to your choice. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon is red chili flakes, 2 to 4 chopped green chilies, salt to taste, but we will take less quantity of salt because we will add the vinegar in it. And also we are taking 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper and half teaspoon of oregano. This oregano is in powder form. You can also take the leaves oregano. Spices may be decrease or increase according to your taste. We will also add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. To prepare the creamy pasta, we are taking 50 grams of melted butter in a pan. After melting the butter, we will add the all-purpose flour in it. We will cook the all-purpose flour for some time. After cooking the all-purpose flour in the butter for some time, we will add the boiled milk in it. After adding the milk in it, we are continuously stirring to avoid the lumps. Now we are adding all the spices in it. All the spices: red chili powder, crushed black pepper, red chili flakes, green chilies, salt and oregano. After mixing all these spices, we are adding tomato ketchup and the white vinegar in it. After mixing it nicely, we are adding the mozzarella cheese in it. Mozzarella cheese may be grated or in cubes. After mixing it, we are adding the boiled pasta in it and also adding the chopped carrots. Now we are adding the chopped tomatoes and also the chopped capsicum. After mixing all the things properly, we will cook it for 10 minutes. After cooking for 10 minutes, the creamy pasta is ready. It is very yummy and delicious pasta. Now in the third step, we are preparing the sauce for the burger. We are taking half cup of mayonnaise and now we are adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup in it. And we will add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar to make it in liquidy form. Now the sauce is ready. We will mix it properly. After mixing it, the sauce is ready. Chicken has marinated. Now we will fry it. So in the fourth step, we are taking chilled drink water in a bowl. And in the second bowl, we are taking the all-purpose flour. First of all, we will coat the chicken in the all-purpose flour. After coated it nicely, we will dip in the chilled water for some time. After this, we will again coat in the all-purpose flour. So now we are removing the chicken from the chilled water and now we are again coating in the all-purpose flour. And we will repeat the step. We are coating it nicely and properly from all the sides of the chicken. We will coat all the chicken in the same process. Now we will fry the chicken. So we are taking the oil in the pan and after heating the oil, we are frying the chicken. Flame is medium to fry the chicken from inside. Chicken is frying. We are repeating the same process in the leg piece. After coating it, we will press it by hands to fix the coating on it and we will remove the excess coating from it. Now we will fry it in the hot oil. The boneless chicken has fried, so we will take in the strainer and we will keep it in the strainer for some time to remove the excess oil of it. The boneless chicken take less time to fry as compared to the leg piece. We will fry all the chicken in the same way. Now we are toasting the round bread from both sides. After toasting the bread, we will prepare the burger. Now for assembling the burger, first we put the first piece of the bread on the plate, and after this we are putting the creamy pasta according to your choice. After putting this, we will put the fried boneless chicken on it, 3 or 4 in numbers, maybe according to your choice. Now the third layer will be of the sauce. This is a creamy sauce. We are pouring it on the chicken. Now we are placing the second piece of the rounded bread. The yummy burrito burger is ready to serve. This is the first way of the burrito burger. Now we are preparing the second type of the burger. For this, we put the creamy pasta in a plate, and now we are putting the fried leg piece in it, and we will serve it with the rounded bread and creamy sauce. The second type of burrito burger is also ready to serve. These are the two types of the burrito burger. We are serving it in the two forms. Hope you will like the yummy recipe of the burrito burger. If you like it, please comment us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep watching and subscribe our channel to get more new recipes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.